Today I'm going to share with you the easiest recipe for making super soft and thread-like idiyappam that stays soft until the next day. This is a delicious South Indian breakfast dish also known as Nool Puttu. It is called Putu Mayam in Malaysia. Idiyappam is made from roasted or steamed rice flour and it looks like rice noodles. First we will prepare the flour. The main ingredient for this recipe is rice flour. Choose rice flour that is very fine. There are many brands in the market. Experiment and find the right flour that gives you soft idiyappam. I have tried many brands and frankly, this is the only brand that works for me. Normally the flour needs to be roasted or steamed first. Let's see how to roast rice flour. Take 1 cup of rice flour and pour into a pan. Keep the heat at low and stir from time to time for 5 minutes. Make sure the flour doesn't get burnt. Once it's ready, pour into a bowl. Next we will prepare the idiyappam dough. Pour 1.5 cups of water into the same pan and bring it to a boil. Add salt about 1/4 teaspoon or to taste and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Use coconut oil if available. The results are better with coconut oil. Once the water has boiled, lower the heat and add the roasted flour. Keep the stove at lowest level and stir the flour with a spatula until you get a nice pliable dough. If you find the dough is still dry, you may add another 1/4 cup or 1/2 cup of water. Make sure you have some hot water ready for this purpose. When the dough is soft and comes together, switch off the stove and put a lid on the pan. Allow the dough to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, knead the dough for 2 to 3 minutes until it is soft and doesn't stick to your hands. At this stage, you can add some water, 1 tablespoon at a time if you find the dough is hard. The dough should be soft enough to easily squeeze through a mold. If it is hard, you will find it difficult to shape into strands later. Now that our dough has rested, it's time to press the idiyappam. Here I have several types of molds that could be used. This is a traditional idiyappam press. It has very tiny holes that produce very fine strands of idiyappam. But this mold requires some strength to push the dough through. Instead, I prefer to use a murukku maker. Use the mold with the smallest holes. It is not as fine as the traditional mold, but it is easier to press out the idiyappam. For steaming the idiyappam, you can use idli trays or bamboo baskets. You can also use a steamer lined with banana leaves or a muslin cloth. Take a portion of the dough and place it in the idiyappam mold. Press the dough into thin strands directly onto an idli tray. Place the idli tray in an idli steamer. Steam the idiyappam for 10 to 12 minutes over rapidly boiling water until they are cooked thoroughly and turned translucent. You may also use traditional bamboo baskets like this. Let's arrange them in a steamer. Steam for 10 to 12 minutes until cooked. Once they are cooked, you may take them out and allow them to cool. Our idiyappam is now ready to be served. Look at how soft the idiyappam has turned out. You can enjoy it in a variety of ways. Traditionally, idiyappam is served with a flavorful coconut milk curry that we call sodi. See how soft and delicious the idiyappam is when served with creamy sodi. I will upload the recipe for sodi soon, so don't miss it. You can also serve idiyappam with spicy curries, lentil stews, or spicy coconut chutney. The choice is endless. The best part is that idiyappam is suitable to feed very young children and even older people who have difficulty eating. You can also enjoy idiyappam with some fresh shredded coconut and brown sugar. This is super delicious. And there you have it, a plate of delicious and super soft idiyappam, like what you get from the Putu Mayam vendor. It is a perfect meal for breakfast or dinner. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more tasty recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!